A group of frogs called an army is living in a tree. A frog turns green when in the shade and turns yellow when in the sun. Initially, the ratio of green to yellow frogs was 3 to 1. Then 3 green frogs moved to the sunny side and 5 yellow frogs moved to the shady side. Now the ratio is 4 to 1. What is the difference between the number of green frogs and the number of yellow frogs? Okay, so to start, that ratio is so g over y is equal to 3 over 1. And so then what's happening is 3 green become 3 yellow. And then what happens is 5 yellow become 5 green. So here, what happens is so you lose these 3 green, but you gain 5 green. So there is a net, the new number of green frogs, there's a net gain of 2 green frogs. We lost 3, but we gained 5. With the yellow, we gained these 3 yellow frogs, but lost 5 yellow frogs. So difference in the yellow frogs, lost 2. So if we want to represent the ratio again here, this new ratio, which we're told is 4 to 1, it's going to be true then that there are now g plus 2 green frogs over y minus 2 yellow frogs. That's equal to 4 over 1. And what we can do here is turn these into equations here. So from this equation, it's true that g is equal to 3y. And from this equation here, it's true that 4y minus 8 is equal to g plus 2. So plugging this, we know that g is equal to 3y. So to solve for y, 4y minus 8 is equal to 3y plus 2. And so in solving this, we get that y is equal to 10. And so now we can solve for g. So if y is equal to 10, g is just 3 times 10. So g is equal to 30. And what this is asking us is, what's the difference between the number of green frogs and the number of yellow frogs now? Well, the number of green frogs now is g plus 2. So that's going to be 30 plus 2, which is 32. And the number of yellow frogs now is going to be that 10 minus 2, which is 8. So difference then is 32 minus 8, which is 24. So answer is choice E.